Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your tablet's OS and storage. This ensures compatibility and prevents install errors. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account so settings sync across devices. Make sure your subscription covers mobile apps if you need premium features. Then open the App Store or Play Store and install Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. As you install, grant necessary permissions like files and camera. This step lets Office save locally and import photos without extra steps. Next, you configure each app for efficient tablet use. First, enable OneDrive Sync so documents save automatically and appear on your PC. This prevents version confusion. Then, set the default save location to OneDrive or local offline folders to control storage. Make sure to switch ribbon and touch settings into tablet mode for larger icons and simplified menus. This improves precision when tapping. Finally, connect any external keyboard or stylus now so shortcuts and ink annotations work correctly. Now create and finalize your work. Choose templates for speed, use touch gestures for selection and pinch zoom to navigate, and employ the draw tool for quick annotations. Once ready, export or share by generating a PDF, sending a OneDrive link, or saving a local copy. This guarantees recipients can open files regardless of apps. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back into OneDrive, toggle sync, or upload the file manually. That one troubleshooting tip resolves most sync or save issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.